Hello, let us learn how to express whole numbers in standard form. Remember when we talked about standard form? We said standard forms are numbers that we write such that we have a multiplied by 10 with the power of n. Where we said a is a number. Now, note that a ranges from 1 to 10. It has to be between this. It cannot be 10. So it is 1 to 9.999 and so on like that. So a has to be a number that falls within this. And then we know that our n is our index number, which is an integer in this case. That is, it can be either positive or negative. Now let's look at how we can express a whole number in standard form with an example. So example, express the following numbers in standard form. So for the first one, we will express 4,000 in standard form. And then for the second, we'll express 6 million in standard form. So let's do this. Solution. For A, we are to express 4,000 in standard form. Now let's write the number 4,000. Now this equal, you are going to look for the first non-zero number from the left. And in this case, it will be the number 4. Take note of this because we'll use it for other kinds of numbers. Now, when we have 4 here, that is, we write the number 4 because it falls between 1 to 10. So then we multiply it by a power of 10. Now, to know the power of 10 you use, you count the number of digits that follow this first non-zero number you have picked. So after this 4, we can see that we have 3 more digits, which are in 0. So we have 1, 2, 3. That means our 10 will carry a power of 3. Once again, for clarity, after you pick the first non-zero number, you then multiply that by a power of 10. And to know the integer that will go on top of your 10 here as the power, you count the number of digits after the non-zero. So here we have 1, 2, 3. That is why we have 10 with the power of 3. And this is how we express 4,000 in standard form. Now let's go to B. For B, we have the number 6 million. So to express this in standard form, we pick the non-zero numbers. So here we have just 6. Now we write that as 6 multiplied by 10. Now to know the integer that becomes the power of 10 here, we count the number of digits after that non-zero. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means we're going to have 6 multiplied by 10 with the power of 6. And this is how to express a whole number in standard form. Thank you.